Hi guys, how are you doing? So today I will be explaining you that how you can spot a reversal, and that is a genuine way how to spot a reversal. So guys, when you understand that whenever the trend is price is moving in the trend, so you can see that price forms a low, then there's a high, then there's a higher low, and there's a higher high, and this cycle continues till the trends move towards the upper side. But when to spot a reversal, that we can understand that this trend is over. So you see right here, for an example, I have opened GBP AUD right here in front of you. That is here, the instrument is here. So you see that the price is in an uptrend, forming higher high, higher low, and moving on the upper side. But as you can see that when the price reached to this point, price is unable to make a higher high right here. Instead, it has started reversing around this point, and then we see that prices also failed to make a higher low right here. Instead, it broke this level, and after breaking this level, this is an impulsive move right now. And when there is an impulsive move, price try to give us a corrective move upside. But I have noticed that there are usually like 3 times the price touches on the upper side, and then it kind of like fall, and after it falls it also breaks the structure right here. And after that there is usually like a 3 candle retracement, and then price went down. And after that there is a pullback into this order block right here, and usually we get a pin bar right here, and price went down. So right here, if you see that price failed to make a higher low, and after that the price went down. After that there are 3 times that price break tried to break on the upper side. This is the first time, this is the second time, and this is the third time. Then price got rejected after that, and eventually it end up breaking the structure on the downside. And after that there is a 3 candle retracement that happened, and we can see that here we have a pin bar right here. And after that we see that price further moves on the downside. And whenever this price tries to pull back into this order block right here, price rejects around from this pin bar, and then we can spot a big move. So after that, when there was a pin bar right here, price went on the upper side, and after that price started rejecting, and we can see right here there is another evidence of the pin bar, and then price further moved on the downside right here. We can take our first partial here, and then price started moving on the upper side. But we understood that the trend has actually reversed around here, so we were more confident, and we can scale in our position, and price can went down on the other side in continuation of the trend. Now I would like to show you another welcome back, guys. So the other example right here is in GBP NZD, and you can see right here that in GBP NZD is a similar structure, that price is unable to make a higher high here, and price is unable to make a higher low here. So what I mean by higher low is that price is unable to touch on the upper side, and on the other hand price has broken this level and unable to the ideal position would be like price would be doing like this, going back down. It wouldn't be breaking this level, but we see right here that this level has been broken. And after when this level has been broken, we can see that price has formed this range right here. After that this range also broke, and when this range broke, we can see that there is a 3 candle retracement, and here we can spot a pin bar right here. And after spotting a pin bar, price went down, and you can see that the price again tried to push within this order block and continued down there. And again we got a point to scale in our position, and price further went on the downside. So guys, now I would be inverting my chart and try to like explain you that how we can spot a reversal when the price is in downtrend rather than in uptrend. So guys, whenever the price is in the downtrend, we can see this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high because it is lower than this high, and this is a lower low, and further price continues. So right now, to explain this type of structure in the live market example, you can see that the price is in a continuation of the downtrend, making the lower lows and lower highs. So this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, and this is a lower low, and this is a lower high, and price moved on the downside. But now how to spot a reversal so that we can take an uptrend move? So guys, for the convenience, I have just inverted my chart. So these red candles right here are showing a bullish move on the upper side, while these green candles or these blue candles right here is representing a move on the downside. And you see right here that price kind of like went on the downside, and then price has failed to make a lower low. For the ideal condition is that when the price has moved on the downside like that, so price should have broken this level and continued the move like that in order to continue the trend. But in here you can see right here that price has failed to make a lower low. Instead, price kind of like held at this point, and after that price has also failed to make a lower high, because we see that price has broken out of this level here, and then we got a corrective move, because now this, after the break here, we understand now the trend has shifted, and now we consider this move as an impulsive move, and this is a corrective move that is happening. And it's the same concept that three times the price tries to like move on the downside: first time, second time, and third time right here. And then we can see the further break of structure right here, and then there is a small three candle retracement out here that happened, and then we got this pin bar right here. And after the pin bar there is a breakout on the upside, but price kind of like retested this order block right here, and then price continued on the upper side. And any kind of retracement, because now we understand it's a bullish trend, so we can re-enter or scale in right here, and price can push on the upper side. So this is what I actually believe, that we should always keep in the mind that first the price should be failing to make a lower low and lower high right here, and after that, when we are spotted that the trend or a structure that has been shifting right here, we can see that there is a uh, there is a break of structure that gives us a pullback right here, and there we have got the break of further break of structure for our further confirmation, and then we have a three candle retracement right here, and we can get this pin bar formation, and then we can see that price retest this pin bar right here into this order block, and then the price continues on the upper side. So guys, this is what actually I have found, and I have like practiced this setup a lot of times, and this kind of setup is really helpful in order to support a reversal rather than like using different kind of tools or things. I believe that market structure is enough for us to understand what is the real perspective out there. So I think this trading technique, or this market structure technique, or the candlestick reading technique right here in front of you would be making enough of difference out there. So I try to explain in all of the scenarios right here. So anyway guys, best wishes and have a wonderful trading journey. Take care.